Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn law provisions. To begin, always approach legal texts with a structured mindset, breaking them down into manageable sections. Focus on understanding the overall framework before diving into specifics. This foundational step helps you build a strong mental map of the law, making subsequent learning much more efficient and less overwhelming. It's about creating a clear path through potentially dense material. Next, actively deconstruct each provision. Read it several times to grasp its full meaning, then outline its core subject and scope. Pinpoint any conditions that must be met, specific exceptions that apply, and the remedies or consequences involved. Pay close attention to cross-references, as these connections are vital for a comprehensive understanding. This detailed analysis ensures you don't miss critical nuances. To solidify your learning, engage in active methods. Summarize provisions in your own words to test comprehension, and create flashcards for key definitions and rules. Discussing concepts with study partners can reveal new perspectives and clarify difficult points. Most importantly, apply the provisions to hypothetical scenarios. This practical application helps you understand how the law operates in real-world situations, enhancing retention significantly. Finally, focus on long-term retention and application. Regularly review the material to reinforce your memory and prevent forgetting. Practice problem-solving with legal questions to hone your analytical skills. Always strive to connect new provisions with your existing legal knowledge, building a cohesive understanding. Don't hesitate to seek feedback on your interpretations. This helps refine your comprehension and ensures accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.